Good morning everyone. My name is Rutu and I am 3rd semester Mechanical B department student at LG University, Ahmedabad. We are gathered here to talk about my kinematics project based on pustular mechanism. First of all, what is kinematics? Kinematics is based on a study of motion without giving external force to that link. There are two types of draw straight line motion by turning pen. First one is Hart's mechanism and second one is pustular mechanism. My project is all about pustular mechanism. It consists with 8 links and they all are connected by turning pads. This is my model. These 2 links are of equal length. These 4 links are of equal length. These 2 fixed point and these 2 fixed point are of equal length. When I move this fixed point in a circular manner, I get a straight line over here like this. Thank you.